Hi everyone, welcome to Naresh Technologies. In this session, we are going to give one more core Java challenge on arrays, challenge number 26, and it is also about arrays. See here, what is the task? Just find the intersection of two arrays. Intersection, you know that all the set operations, unions, intersection, disjoint, some of the operations you can perform on set of elements. You can say mathematical sets. So here first take two arrays, define two arrays with elements, or directly you can define nothing but you can initialize like two arrays like a and with some elements like 11, 23, 45, 76, 87, 39, like this we are giving. Unique elements we are taking. Sir, why unique elements we are taking? Arrays can store duplicates also. Yes, duplicates also. But a very important point we should understand, very important point, set doesn't allow duplicates. Set doesn't allow duplicates. Any set, mathematical set, or in a data structures concept like in a collections framework concept, only list allow duplicates, set doesn't allow. That is the universal rule. So here also please consider the same thing, set doesn't allow duplicates. So here just array you treat it as a set, and here it is a take one more array just like a B, and here give some of the elements like a 13, and please use some common elements. Please use some common elements like 23, and like here it is a 49, and common element is a 76, and next one is like a 98, and we are using 42. These are the two sets we are taking, two sets. And here it is intersection means what? Intersection, it should return the common elements. It should return the common elements, intersection of A and B. So here what is that common set? Here it is a 23 and 76, it should return 23 and 76. See, a simple logic, just repeat one loop. Here it is a, in the first array A, just compare element with all the elements in the second array. Suppose if it matches with the element, any element in the second array, return that element, but here it is, it doesn't match. Next come to that this part 23. So you can write it as an outer loop as an index element. In the inner loop you are comparing with the second array. Whenever it is comparing, nothing but whenever it is matching, just return that element. Next index element, it will not match with anything. Next 76 element match with this second array element, so display that one. So this process you continue until all the elements, so nothing but a same set of elements if you found, just return that set. This is what finding the intersection of two arrays. This is the task. Please write the code for this task and comment your code. Thank you all.